Ladies, gentlemen, and soon-to-be dissected plaintiffs, welcome to the boardroom. Adjust your neckties, check your insurance premiums, because the red suit is out and the claws are unsheathed. This is not a settlement. This is an execution via administrative overload.
Step into my office, mind the puddles of congealment. I've mastered every tactic of forensic concealment. You're looking for a savior, I'm a beast of litigation, specializing strictly in your soul's liquidization. The bloody Gore company has signed my authorization to turn your class action into a mass cremation. I'm rhythmic, I'm cynic, a legalistic panther. If you ask about the ethics, I'm the only final answer. I'll cite the jurisdiction of a nightmare territory, then I'll redact the pages of your tragic little story. It's a multi-layer crass layer, paper-heavy slaughter. I'll drown your expert witness in a gallon of holy water. Meowski, claws, and Perta where the laws of malpractice, turning every human error into shark tactics. In the suit of velvet crimson, I'm the king of deposition, feeding every whistleblower through the shredder proposition. We don't settle, we don't meddle, we just evoke termination.
Welcome to the bloody Gore administrative station.
Yeah, your injuries are graphic, that's a minor inconvenience. The law doesn't function on the basis of leniency. You signed the document in blood, a clear manifestation of your willingness to undergo this mutilation. Section 4, paragraph 8 regarding lacerations clearly states the company's exempt from compensations. I'm a lyrical miracle, legalistic terror. I find a typo in your birth and call it clerical error. You want a fair trial? That's a cute hallucination. I've got the judge's mistress in the secret location. I use subpoena power like a razor-sharp stiletto and turn your penthouse dream into a burns-out urban ghetto. My rhymes are polyphonic, my intent is diabolical. I'll sue your very essence down to every single follicle. The machinery of corporate obliteration. We've patented the process and we slow disintegration. Is that a seven-limb or a breach of confidentiality? I'll argue that your suffering is a subjective reality. I'm drafting up an injunction for your heart's palpitation, and I'll charge you for the ink and the legal consultation. Meowski doesn't blink, I just stare with calculation. My claws and digs the holes for your family's vacation. We operate in shadows and the cracks of legislation, where the only thing that's certain is your total nullification. I'm the cat in the red suit, the apex negotiator, the judge, the jury, and the industrial cremator.
Subsumption. Passing of risk. Statutory ground. Do you feel the weight of the paperwork? It's heavier than the soil they'll use to cover the evidence. I don't need a weapon when I have a notary public.
The jury is a circle of my feline associates, so find your lack of evidence quite frankly inappropriate. If I am 40 motions for a total sequestering, while your legal reputation is out in the sun festering. I'm a multisyllabic cataleptic jurisprudent, treating every prosecutor like a failing law student. The bloody Gore company provides the ammunition, I provide the logic and the flawless execution. Your soul is in the fine printed and check the appendix, and now your life is ending like a burst to an appendix. Omnius Pyrivore, the king of contradiction. Everything you say is just a work of legal fiction.
Case dismissed with prejudice.
And by prejudice, I mean I've already sent the clean on chrome claws in. Bring me the bluefin tuna. Incinerate the files.
Bloody Gore Company. We own the aftermath.